Welcome to our Digital Complexion how-to tutorial. In this educative video, I, Emilie Guillermin, will take you on a journey through the transformative powers of the Digital Complexion series. Let's dive in. Our first step begins with micellar water, a refreshing makeup remover. It gently cleanses the skin, takes any kind of residue away, and prepares the skin for the perfect makeup application. I'm hydrating the skin with Dermacolor Moisturizer cream, a hydrating, enriching skincare with skin-loving vitamins. This rich cream provides deep hydration and ensures a flawless makeup application. Remember, a light layer is a key, as too much product can affect the performance of your makeup. Now, I'm applying the Digital Complexion Primer for dry skin onto areas that need a little extra hydration. This primer works wonders on dry patches, particularly under the eyes, where the skin is thinner. If you have dry skin overall, you can use it all over the face. I prefer using my fingers to ensure a seamless application. Make sure to wash and disinfect your hands before using them. You can also use a brush. The moment has come to unveil the magic of Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation. I apply thin layers, gradually building coverage where needed. To apply Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation, I prefer to use this brush. You can also use a foundation brush. However, while you can exactly stipple with a foundation brush, you can use it for initial application and then switch to a fluffy brush or even a sponge for blending. It's all about finding what works best for you. I prefer stippling the product for a flawless, natural finish. By starting with the foundation, we can access the coverage it provides, avoiding unnecessary application where it's already covered. Then we move on to concealer. I always opt for a shade slightly lighter than the skin tone and mix it with a neutralizer to counteract any skin discoloration. By blending the two, we achieve immediately neutralization without the need for additional coverage. This approach saves time, reduces product usage, and allows the lighter shade to do double as a highlight for a radiant finish. Now let's contour. I'm using two different colors, a more cold shade and a warmer color. Starting with a darker shade, I take a small amount and blend it immediately to avoid any visible line. It's crucial to eliminate lines, especially in camera work. The camera reads pixels as one color and excess light can highlight lines. Using different contour colors ensure a more natural appearance on screen, as the varied colors are seen as distinct pixels. I'm recommending using a slightly more grayish-brown shade to mimic the natural shadows found on the skin and to provide more depth. Then, you can warm it up with a touch of a warmer contour color to enhance the dimension. Remember, it's best to build up the contour gradually for a stronger effect rather than applying too much at once. I'm doing the entire face with only Digital Complexion products, so now I'm using the Digital Complexion Neutralizer as a blush. Especially here, I use D47, a pink shade similar to natural blood color. This universal color complements any complexion and can even be used on the lips for a harmonious look. Let's finalize the Digital Complexion for a long-lasting, shine-controlled finish with Digital Complexion Finish Powder. I take a minimal amount of powder, ensuring it's evenly distributed on the brush. I test it on my hand, checking for any residue. If I notice residue, it's a sign of excess product, which should be avoided. The powder is not meant to fix the makeup, but it's strategically applied to areas where less shine is desired. The Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation as such is self-setting. Before applying the powder, make sure to smooth away any crease lines to prevent the powder from settling into the lines. When stippling the powder, you will notice it provides just the right amount of matte finish, maintaining a hint of natural shine for a balanced look. And here we go, the result, a Photoshop-like complexion that appears flawless, radiant, on camera ready. It's a statement. With the right techniques, products, and a little creativity, you too can create perfect skin. So go ahead, explore the world of Digital Complexion.